Okay, continuing on, we're on rule number 3. So if you're using this, you've got hyphens here, and anytime you have hyphens or symbols, you forget about them. With hyphens, you're going to take them out and close up the space. So again, if you're trying to figure out where the units are, look where the spaces are. Where there's a blank space, that's a unit. So in and out is one word. Car would be 2. Wash would be 3. Okay. And then if you look down at D, inside, outside, games, Inc., I've got 3 units because of where spaces are. Inside, outside, you're ignoring that slash and closing up the space. That becomes your key unit. Games is 2, Inc. is 3. Okay. Now when you have a person's name, let's look at Imelda Irving Brown. Again, look at your spaces. That we have 2 units. You're ignoring this hyphen and closing up the space. So Irving Brown becomes the key unit. Imelda becomes the second unit. Okay. All right, rule number 4 has to do with, if I remember correctly, without it right in front of me, any acronyms for businesses. So IDEA, corporate services. Again, I don't know, this isn't a real big thing. You just have to remember to look at where the spaces are. Will tell you where your units are. So we've got a space only between here and here. That's where we put our diagonals. It's a business. So the first unit is the key unit, and then corporate, and then services. I Can Fix It auto body. Again, look for your spacing. I Can Fix It auto body. If you look at ICA Corp, there's spaces after each one of those letters. So I is the key unit, C is the second, A is the third, Corp is 4. Now, when you're doing this, I should have mentioned this earlier. If you're filing these 3 right here and you're trying to put them in alphabetical order, look at your key units. You've got IDEA, I Can Fix It, and I. The shortest one, nothing before something, this is that nothing before something rule, will come first. So I hope that makes sense. So it would be, this would come first, and then I Can Fix It, and then IDEA, if it was just those 3 that you were actually alphabetizing. Okay. I'm going to do okay, for cross-referencing. So let's take a look at IBM. Actually, I'm going to stop there.